I really got to do a bloopers thing again on my vlog channel. But anyways, hi, I'm on my way to school. Let's see. Other than that, there's not really much going on today. I've got to, yesterday I didn't have time to go to the car repair shop, so I'm gonna go today at some point. And then my boyfriend is going to this auto car show today, so with his dad, so they're doing that, so I hope they have fun and all that jazz. And then if he gets back at a decent time, I'm gonna go over there and see him. But if he doesn't, then I'll just go over there tomorrow. But that all depends on like what's gonna happen tonight and stuff. So, and like what time he gets back. But yeah, I'm gonna do a bloopers thing. I hope, if I remember to, because I've got a few bloopers that I could put in if I didn't delete them already. But yeah, I'm going to add bloopers at the end of my vlog. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just walking to class. So I'm gonna turn the camera back around. I just got out of class and now I'm headed to the cafeteria to eat lunch and do some homework, hopefully. I know I'm gonna eat lunch, but I'm gonna do some homework too if I don't fall asleep. I am so tired. I didn't get my coffee this morning, so I am not fully awake. I'm gonna go to the cafeteria and eat lunch and do homework if I don't fall asleep first. Excuse me. So, you know how I said I would do my homework unless I fell asleep? I did the second thing and fell asleep. So, I am going to my next class. I'm just waiting for the door to open and then we're gonna go into class. But yeah, we're just waiting for the door to open and we're good to go. But yeah, I fell asleep so I didn't get any homework done, but I'll get it done when I get home. So yeah. My mom had to pick me up from school today because she had to drop me off because both my parents needed the cars, so... Oh, that's fun. Wait, that's a pocket? Hold on a moment. About that. My mom had to drop me off today because both my parents needed the cars. So I got picked up from school a little bit ago and my hair is a mess. But anyways, we made it to the repair shop so that way they can take a look at the car and everything, and just repair the car when needed. So, because I'll show you the damage. So if you come with me, I gotta blur out the license plate obviously, but if you come with me, the damage is back here. There's some scratches and a hole in the car, and this is missing, so yeah. But that's the damage of the car. I'm gonna blur out the license plate so that way you don't see our license plate and everything, but there's the damage. It's not that bad, but at the same time, we want to get it fixed. So I woke up from a nap at 5:30, I think it was. But now I'm about to do some school. I'm probably gonna get some head medicine. I think I have a headache, but I'm not sure. And then also, yeah, I do. And then also, my mom's gonna call and leave a message at the auto repair shop because we're gonna drop it off Monday, and they gotta keep it for a few days, so yeah. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just start my school after I take some head medicine, and then she can call the repair shop. And I don't want to have to guess on these either.
I know.
Because that wouldn't be right.
Can you come back to that one?
I don't think I can. Because if I go next, it'll go to the next question, and then the next question, and the next question, and then I'm going to have to keep pressing previous. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm working on homework. I'm vlogging.
That's certainly not the beginning.
Can I see the book? I'll talk to you when I get done with my homework.